Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mewgenics gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search, but before that you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files is verified, check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch it and check whether it's working or not. So here you can see as update option is available. You have to click on update option and wait for some time unless the game is updated. Once done, then check whether controller is working or not. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and wait for some time unless your Windows is updated. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now check if the gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your gamepad will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings and click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else and then click on here you have to add a device. After your controller or gamepad is added, now check whether it's working or not. If not, then next solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can also search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you can simply click on the link that I have already provided in the description and you can download and install DS4 Windows tool on your system. So once the website opens, click on the download option. Now after that, go below. From here you have to download the DS4 Windows tool, and after downloading it, install it, and after installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Mewgenics game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So these methods will surely help to resolve gamepad or controller not working in Mewgenics game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.